Good morning and Jai Hind, children. Welcome in today's class. Children, what we are doing? The lesson, our body. We are reading the lesson, our body. And what topic we will read today, Children, what is in my hand? You can see this? What is this in my hand? Yes, this is toothbrush and this is toothpaste. Where do we use these things? On our teeth. You are right. We use these things on our teeth. So, now you can guess which topic we are going to read today. Of course, teeth. We are going to read about the teeth. That is the topic of this lesson. Okay. I am showing my book pages where you will see some pictures. Yes, children, you can see in this picture. What does tooth look like? Tooth means once. It's singular, it is called tooth, and in plural, many, it is called teeth. Let's read about a structure of a single tooth. The white portion which you can see in this picture, you can see this white portion where you use to brush, which portion you use to clean. That is the crown part of the tooth. It is called crown. And the part of the teeth which is inside the gum, masuda, gum, you can't see, that is root. In this picture, it is clear. The white color part which you are able to see are called crown. This portion is known as crown. And the portion which you cannot see and present inside the gum, the pink colored thing is, this is gum and it is present inside. The portion which is present inside the gum is called root. Okay, what are the main two parts of teeth? The part which can we see, which is visible, is called crown, and the part which we cannot see, it is under the gum, is called root. Come to the next. Children, why are teeth important? Teeth gives shape to our face, okay, as well as teeth help us to speak properly also. And there are two types of teeth. Children, a newborn baby does not have teeth. A 6-month-old baby start getting the first tooth. Till the age of 3 years, a child has 20 teeth. This first set of teeth is called milk teeth, or it is a temporary teeth. Why it is called temporary teeth? Because it falls down and replaced by a new set of teeth. Okay, children? Then what we have learned? That in the beginning, and infants after the 6 months, the teeth starts growing. They are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Around the age of 6 years, the milk teeth start falling over one by one. Each milk tooth is replaced by a new tooth. Okay. By the age of 13, all the milk teeth are replaced by a new set of teeth called permanent teeth. And these teeth remains throughout the life. That's why it is called permanent teeth. When we grow very old, then again our body becomes weak and our tooth starts falling, as in the early time. Na? Okay? Yes. In our teeth, these are of many types. Kinds of teeth they are called. We have 4 kinds of teeth. First is incisor, canines, premolars, and molars. These are specific in number, specific in size, and they have a special work. We chew the food, we cut the food, okay, we grind the food. For these different types of work, we need different types of tooth. The shape of each tooth helps to it to carry out different these type of functions. In this set of teeth, you can see the kinds of teeth. The first one here, you can see here are 4 teeth. The front 4 teeth are called incisors. In lower, you can see incisor. This is the incisor teeth. And these are present 4 in number in lower jaw and 4 in number in upper jaw. Okay, it means they are, how many they are? They are 1, 2, 3, 4 in lower jaw, 1, 2, 3, 4 in upper jaw. It means total they are 10 in number. Okay. And just next to incisor, there is one teeth that is called canine on both sides. A teeth is present, that is canines. These are canines. You can see these are comparatively sharp. Canines, they are sharp. And after the canines, canines are present, 2 in lower jaw and 2 in upper jaw. These are canines. And after that, there is 2 broad teeth. They are called premolars. What they are called? Premolars. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 in number in lower jaw and 4 in number in upper jaw. It means total they are 8. And at the back, a broad, strong teeth is present to grind the food. They are called molars. They are present 3 left side, 3 right side, total 6 in lower jaw and 6 in upper jaw. It means total 12 molars are present. There are total 32 teeth are present. The arrangement are like this. Now we will read one by one. You can see the structure is different. Incisors are, it is little pointed, but canines are very sharp. Incisors are used to cut the teeth, food items. And here are premolars. They are also strong. And these are molars. They are, you can see there is a cut between the tooth. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are called incisors. You all speak incisors. We use them to bite our food. For what is the need of this food? What is the work or function of this teeth? To bite our food. On both sides of incisors, there are a sharp and pointed teeth that is used to tear the food. You have to tear, sometimes you have to tear the food. Na? If the food is hard, what you do? You tear that food. Which type of teeth we use at that time? Canines. Canines. We have 4 canines. 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. It means canines are 2 in each jaw and they are total in 4. The teeth at the back of the mouth are white and flat. They are flat. They are called premolars and molars. You can see in this picture, na? These teeth, these 6, here the 5 and here these teeth are, what type of they are molars and prear? They are flat, wide, चौड़े हैं और थोड़े चिपटे हैं. Okay? Premolars cut and grind the food. What they do? They cut and grind the food. And what that molars do? Molars crush the food and grind the food. We have 4 premolars and 6 molars in each jaw. Let's read one by one these teeth. In this picture, what you can see clearly, na? There are 4 types of teeth. The first 4 front teeth are called incisors. They are present 4 in lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw. Just after the incisor, there is a sharp teeth. This is a sharp teeth. One is this side, left side, and one is right side. Okay. What are they called? They are called canines. 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. After that, there is broad and flat teeth, that is premolars. You can see premolars, 4 in lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw. So they are 8 in numbers. And after that, you can see here are molars teeth. Na? They are comparatively much bigger and flat. They used to grind the food na, which we eat. Chabate ho na? What at that time, what type of teeth you use? This. Molars and premolars. You can see na? You should brush these portions very clearly, neatly, because the food particles which you eat are sometimes get stuck in this portion. So we have to make it neat and clean. Let's read one by one each teeth. In this picture, there are 4 set of teeth. The first one, there is 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw, green color. This is shown to green color. These are of not green color. These are, I have made this colorful to make you understand that these are front teeth. These are incisors. 4 upper and 4 lower. These are the incisors. You can see. Now tell me the number of incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8 in number. And just next to incisor, there are canines. In this picture, you can see it is of blue color. You can see that these are comparatively sharp. The non-vegetarian uses this teeth more in comparison to vegetarian. Okay, how many canine teeth are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are present just after incisors. And these are premolars. They are present after the canines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in upper jaw, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see these are 8 in number. These are 8 in number. 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. These are premolars. You can see these are wide and flat, na? And these are molars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Molars are 12 in number. Okay. Now you are easily recognize these type of teeth. Children, we will make the model of teeth. We will use the white color clay. You know na clay? You make the different types of toys. We will make this set of teeth. All types of teeth we will make. In that we are using white color clay and pink color clay we will use to make the gums. But this activity we will do in the next week. When we will do? In the next week. This time first we will read one by one. Okay, here in detail you read. What are incisors? They are chisel shaped, flat and sharp edges front teeth. They are 8 in number with 4 teeth in each jaw. They functions like a pair of scissors. That's why they are called incisor. The sound is produced at the last scissors and help to cut food into the small pieces. What is the use of incisors? They help to cut the food into the small pieces. The next is canines. They are sharp and pointed teeth. You can see in this picture. Here they are present canines. And they are 4 in number with 2 teeth in each jaw. And they function like a fork. You use a fork to cut the teeth, things and help to tear the food into pieces. How you eat? You use fork, na? Yes, just like that. These act like a fork, na? Canines. And there are premolars. They are broad and flat teeth. They are 8 in number with 4 teeth in each jaw. They functions like a nutcrackers. At nutcrackers crack the things, hard things. Just like that, these teeth help to crush the food into the fine pieces to make the chewing easy. If you eat peanuts, what you do? If you eat any chocolate, hard chocolate, hard anything, then what you do? With the help of premolars, you crush that food. You crush na? The toffees which are hard. What you do? You crush with using your premolars. And here are molars. They are bigger and wider than premolars. You can say 1, 2 and 2 in front and 2 at the back. These are the structures they are present. They are 12 in number and wider than premolars. You can see in this picture na, molars are wider na, ये comparatively उससे ज़्यादा चौड़े हैं ना, and they are 12 in number. You can see in your teeth, in your own set of teeth. After the class, just you observe your teeth in the mirror. You see in the mirror and try to identify these all 4 types of teeth. Huh? They are 12 in number with 6 teeth in each jaw. The wisdom teeth are the third pair of molars. They work like a mortar and pestle to grind and chew the food. You know, children, wisdom teeth grows after the age of 18. Okay, come to the next one. You can see in this picture, these are incisors. They act like a Caesar. That's why the sound is coming as Caesars, incisors. When you will draw, you make say it carefully. These are the incisor. Now, these are canines. I have shown you in that picture also, na? These are canines. Now, I hope you can easily recognize by using this. They act like a fork to tear the food. And these are cracking teeth. Also, premolars are also called cracking teeth. They act like a nut cutter crackers. Nut crackers. You can see the nut crackers crack the nuts. Just like that, these premolars, you can see in this picture, they crack the food we eat. Come to the last one. That is, these are molars. Molars. What type of teeth they are? Molars. They act like a mortar and pestle. ये जो खलबट्टा जैसा use करते से, Mama, when sometime she grinds the food items now when she has to make it very fine. Just like that, these teeth act because the food which we cut, it mixed with saliva that is present inside the mouth, get mixed and passes through the food pipe. So it is very important, and food pipe is very short. It is thin, so it is compulsory that food we eat should be changed in the semi-liquid form. For this purpose, these teeth are very, very important. They make the food like a paste. Children, as I have told you, most of us grow 4 more teeth between the age of 17 to 25 years. These are called wisdom teeth. And they are what type of teeth they are? They are molars. So many of you at this age, you don't have 32 teeth. Generally, you have 30 teeth or 28 teeth. As you will grown up 28, when you will grown up, then there will be wisdom teeth will grow. When we look inside our mouth, we find different types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth, and each type of teeth is different in shape and function. One wisdom tooth grows at the end of each jaw. Okay? One on left side, one on right side on the upper jaw, and the another is in the lower jaw, one on left side and one on right side. By growing these 4 wisdom teeth, human being complete a set of 32 adult teeth with the 16 teeth in each jaw, each upper and lower jaw. Okay, I hope you have understand. What I have told you earlier that we will make the model of this type of teeth, but with the help of clay, white color clay and pink color clay. I will show you how to make. But when we will do, in the next week. अगले वीक में हम लोग इसको करेंगे. हाँ, first we will complete the lesson, we will do the book exercises. After that we will do this activity. Children, I will show you also the model of tooth and the structure of tooth in tomorrow. Huh? Yes. Yes. Now, children, here we will see the parts of the tooth or the structure of the tooth. Each tooth has two main parts, the crown and the root, which you have seen. The crown is the top part of the tooth and it is seen above the gum. The root is the lower part of the tooth. It cannot be seen as it is inside the gum and it holds the tooth firmly in the place in the gums. You can see here crown and tooth. A tooth has three layers. A tooth has three layers. The outer white layer is called enamel. You can see this is white color layer. This is enamel. The enamel is the hardest part of our body. You know, children, the enamel is the hardest part of our body. And the middle layer of the tooth, which is slightly yellow, is called dentine. In this picture, you can see dentine, this yellow portion. This is dentine. First is enamel. Our tooth has three layers, na? First is enamel, second is dentine. This is softer than enamel. And the innermost layer of tooth is called pulp. This is pulp. The pulp is soft and pink color. This has blood vessels. What is present? Blood vessels. And the nerves are present. That's why you feel tooth decay ना. आपको दांत में दर्द होता है, आप feel करते हो कैसे? Because the nerves are present and sometimes blood comes na because of the blood vessels are present. Blood vessels and nerves are present in which portion? In the lowermost layer. Okay, that is called pulp. What it is called? Pulp. The pulp is soft and has blood vessels and the nerves. The nutrients reach to the tooth through these blood vessels. We say कि calcium is necessary for the growth of teeth. Where it reaches from the blood. These blood vessels for iron gives calcium is absorbed by the tooth and our tooth becomes bigger and strong. This is the another picture of part of tooth. You can see this is the enamel, this is the dentine, and this is the pulp in the and the portion which is this is inside the tooth. Inside the gum, it is called root canal. What is it is called? Root canal, which joins the tooth to the gums. These are present inside the tooth. Yes, children, the enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. It protects the crown from wear and tear and occurs due to tearing, biting and chewing of food. कभी-कभी जब हम लोग गरम ठंडा ज़्यादा ऐसा करते हैं तो what happened? Our enamel gets hurt. So, to protect our tooth, this enamel is present. Okay? It protects our tooth. We should brush our teeth regularly because the space is present between the two different types of teeth, na? And the food particles which we eat get stuck on that place. Okay, children? Then what we have read today? We read about the different types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. First front teeth is incisors. They are also called biting teeth. We bite anything with the help of these incisors. They are 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. After that, there is canines. 1 on left side, 1 on right side. 2 in lower and 2 in upper. Those canines act like a fork and they are for cutting teeth. They are 4 in number. After that, there is premolars. They are total 4 in lower jaw, 2 left side, 2 right side. And 4 in upper jaw, 2 left side and 2 right side. And at the last back of the jaw, there is three left side, three right side, flat and wider tooth. They are called molars. And where wisdom teeth is present? At the last of the jaw. And they grows at the after the age of the 17. And some people, they don't have also. It's not necessary that all four wisdom teeth will grow. That's why na, everyone don't have 32 number of teeth. Only some of the people have 32 number. Some commonly they have 30 teeth, because or sometimes only two wisdom teeth grow. The wisdom teeth grow at the end of the each jaw, two on upper and two on lower. Okay. And what about we learn about the structure of the tooth. A tooth is made up of three layers. The outer layer, that is called enamel, and enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. And after that, there is yellow layer, that is called dentine, and after it is little softer in comparison to enamel. When enamel is broken down, then you can see the yellow portion of the teeth, you can see, huh? And at the end, innermost layer is pulp, where the which is soft, and where the nerves are present, as well as the blood vessels are present. In our next class, we will read about the what is cavity, and how we should take care of our tooth, different topics of tooth, and I will show you also the tooth structure of tooth. Okay, children, bye bye, meet you soon in the next class. Bye bye, dear.